How to create link to the PDF document. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way and easiest way. So guys, let's start the video. Before we start, at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so guys, sharing the PDF document via link, it is very and useful features. So you can share your links, your PDF link on your email, on any messaging services like WhatsApp or Messenger. Okay, so I will show you how you can create the link for this PDF document. Okay, so first start with the video. The first step, just come to the any browser. I'm using the Chrome. Here you can see, and we need to log in with your Gmail account. Just log in with your account. After you logged in, just click on this menu icon and go to the Google Drive, or you can simply search here for Google Drive after login. So it will be take you at the Google Drive app like this. Okay, after this open, you can create folder for PDF document. You go to the PDF, go to the new, create the folder, new folder, and you can simply rename it like PDF file, my PDF files, and just create. So this, okay, so you can see this folder has been generated here, or you can simply upload this PDF document at home. So if you need the good file management in Google Docs, Google Drive, you can create the folders for your particulars documents. So I have already created. Just open that document here. Now go to the new and just click on this upload file. So here we need to upload that PDF file which you want to share, which you want to create the link. Okay, just click on this option, file upload, then just search for that PDF file. So I just take any PDF file from here, later edit it. Okay, so it will be start upload in your documents. You can see I have uploaded 2 PDF document here. So now simply just click on it, right click on that PDF document and go to the share and click on the share button. Then this pop-up window will be open. Now you can create the link. Sorry, I need to go again here. Okay, you can see click this option restricted. Just go here and go to the click on this anyone with this link. Okay, then this link will be update, and here you can see this is a permission. Okay, so you need to select the role of this viewer. Okay, like if you want to make viewer only view your PDF file, then you can click on this viewer only, so they are not able to edit or make comments on your PDF file. Okay, if you want to make viewer as an editor, if you want to give the permission to edit your PDF file to any to the peoples, then you can click on the editor, so people can open your document with this link and they can edit. So if you want to simply share your documents, just click on this viewer only, so they can only view your file. Now just copy that link, just click on this link, and this link you can share with anyone, so people can view your PDF document. So I just check in incognito mode. So you can see this PDF file has been open in incognito mode and people can view it. Okay, people can also download if you. Okay, so people can download it. So that is how you can create the link for the PDF. Okay, just copy the link and you can use to anyone. You can use at any platform. Like you can simply copy paste this link on your email body, or you can share via Messenger or WhatsApp. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.